Good evening, Miss. The food service design refers to the planning and layout of facilities, equipment, and the process involved in the preparation, storage, and delivery of food customers. So the primary goal of food service design is to ensure the efficiency, the safety, and a pleasant dining experience for customers while maintaining optional workflow for staff. So here are some key aspects of food service design with my own explanation. So number one is the kitchen layout. So the kitchen layout is typically divided into different work zones such as the preparation, cooking, and storage areas. So kitchen layout also allows for better organization and efficiency in food preparation. So it is the most common kitchen layouts are the straight, U-shape, and the island design. So that it can be found in the kitchen area also. So next is the ergonomics. So ergonomics focuses on designing spaces and equipment that are comfortable and efficient for staff to use. No? So these are includes sa workstations, proper lighting condition, and comfortable footwear. No, so ergonomic design helps also reduce the risk of injuries and also to increase the productivity. And next is the food storage and the preservation. So in food preservation also, so food service design includes proper storage facilities for ingredients and prepared dishes. So this includes refrigeration, freezing, and heating equipment. So proper storage ensures food safety, no, and quality in the hotel or resort. So next is the ventilation and air quality. No, proper ventilation is crucial in food service. No areas to maintain good air quality and prevent the buildup of grease, odors, and airborne contaminants. This is achieved through exhaust system, air filtration, and also the air circulation. So the number five will be the sanitation and the hygiene. No, food service design incorporates easy to clean surfaces, proper waste disposal system, and hand washing stations to maintain a clean and hygienic environment. Regular cleaning and sanitizing practices are essential to prevent the foodborne illnesses. Now we can prevent some like for example the any bacteria so to make the food safe and clean. So next is the customer service areas. The design of customer service areas, such as dining rooms and counters, should provide a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. So this includes appropriate seating arrangements, good lighting conditions again, and also the noise control. So let's proceed to number seven, which is the technology integration. Modern food service design often includes the integration of technology to improve efficiency and customer experience. So this may include point of sale system. So it talks about how the sales being on top always and also the online ordering and the digital menu boards. So next is the accessibility. Food service establishments should be designed to accommodate customer with disabilities, including wheelchair accessibility, accessible restrooms, and visual auditory aids. So it could be nice and wealthier in a restaurant, no, to have something accessible for any PWD person. And Next is the energy efficiency. So sustainable design principles can be incorporated into food service design to reduce energy consumption and minimize the environmental impact. So this includes the energy efficient appliances, LED lighting, and proper insulation. Next is the waste management. So food service design should also consider waste reduction strategies such as composting, recycling, and using eco-friendly packaging materials. So it could be nice again in a restaurant to have the waste management for also, so the restaurant will be not either in the future will be mini garbage outside, no, so with good waste management it could be wealthier with them. So in my summary, no, food service design encompasses various aspects to create efficient, safe, and enjoyable dining experience to the customers, or while ensuring a well organized and productive work environment also for the staff. And that's good to be all. Thank you.